Hi, welcome to the Karts Plus showroom here in Kelowna, BC. My name is Erwin. I'm going to take you through the 2023 refurbished EZGO golf car, the RXV model. It's the first time we've ever offered a 2023 refurbished. These units are unique and they're AC drive. They have new automotive hanging style pedals and an auto lock brake system. Every unit is stripped down, factory refurbished, back to factory standards on the chassis. We add a new body, available in 5 different colors. We have LED headlights and taillights. Everything is brand new. We're installing new 14-inch mags on most models with radial tires for a smoother ride. Every unit comes with a full light package. You have your headlight switch, you have hazard lights, signal lights, state of charge meter, dual USB, a place to put your phone, and cup holders, of course, for the all-important beverages. New mirrors. We're offering an ultra black suede seat for maximum comfort and luxury. It'll give you a great ride on the golf course. Samsung extends the 5-year warranty on the battery. So you get a great warranty. 1 year on the cart, 5 years on the battery. All of our units come with new golf accessories. Every unit has a new rain cover, has new sand bottles, has a new cooler, a new club and ball washer. Everything is brand new, looks brand new, feels brand new when you ride it. Here's the best part. When you buy one of these models, you're saving 30% off the 2026 new price. So you get a great ride that rides just like new at a great price that saves you 30%. Come and check it out in our showroom today.